come on over.
So
this is the crankshaft, and this is the engine we're working on. The 60-degree V6 engine from Chevrolet. It's going to go into the Comanche. Normally the Comanche would have the 2.8 liter. This is actually the 3.4 liter. It increases the stroke length.
So we're going to have more stroke.
And the bores of the cylinders are wider as well.
We're going to hope that this will give us about 50 to 60 additional horsepower once installed into the Comanche.
Bolts
right up to the same bell housing and everything, so who knew, right?
It's from a 1994 Chevrolet Camaro. So, awesome, right? So,
anyways, what we're doing today is we're preparing the crankshaft to put into the engine here, and this gear, it belongs to the old timing set. Now, we bought a new timing set 9-0373S. I've used Cloyes in the past. I like them. They seem to have good products.
Gives you a new chain guide, new chain, goes on the camshaft, and this goes on the crankshaft.
So this gear right here is the one that we will put back on the crankshaft. We'll put it on later. This video is about how to remove that gear. In order to remove this, you have to use a little puller thing like this.
There's a couple things. You don't want to put this end directly down inside there because it's going to mess with the threads. So look down in here. Those threads are necessary inside the hole. The threads there, you have to have them because this needs to thread down into there once everything is put back together. So if you mess those up by putting this directly down in there, that'll give you bad results. So the timing or the gear puller will usually come with something like this, which just kind of fits on the end there.
And that's awesome
because it just fits on there. All right. So then you just kind of have to put these equidistant around the gear, and you just hold them in place as you just get this hand tight. Now, about a week ago, I sprayed lubricant in here, and I just barely did lubricant in there again so that it'll come out easy. You'll also want to put lubricant on these teeth here. All right, so here we go. Let's get it turning. That one broke real easy.
There it goes. There it is. That's the old one. But it just sits right here. And then the chain, of course, rides on this gear. And it goes up to the camshaft gear, and that's how your engine is timed. So this guy just goes over here. There's a keyway for it, and here's the key. So that way you make sure that, you know, everything is timed perfectly. So that is how you remove the timing gear off of a crankshaft. Thanks for tuning in.
I started.